Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, okay, a smartwatch, okay, intended for kids. So we have a children or kids smartwatch here, okay, as you can see on the packaging, okay. So this one, it is loaded or it is equipped with a SIM tray, okay, for communication, okay, and other functions available for kids. I guess it is also has a sporty, okay, kiddie look. So we're going to unbox this one. It's the Q12B smartwatch, okay, an upgrade of the popular Q12 smartwatch for kids. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, this kids smartwatch, okay, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's check the box first. As you can see here, okay, fashion update. I choose the pink cause I love pink. Okay, so different, okay, messages here, okay, to entice the kids to have this smartwatch. Okay, so let's open. Very simple packaging. So nothing, no information, okay, about the smartwatch on the box. Then we have, I guess, the smartwatch. Okay, what are the contents here? So we have here a charging cable. So based on this, seems like, okay, it is charged via the, okay, micro USB here, specialized micro USB, okay, with a much longer, okay, port or plug here for the micro USB port. Okay, then we have the smartwatch. Okay, so I guess it is using the do wear support app. Okay, so let's check the user manual. Okay, know your watch, power on your watch, set up SIM. As I have said, it is equipped with a SIM tray, so your kids can use this as an independent smartwatch. Okay, so USB waterproof. We have here the instructions on how to charge the device, and we have here the support app, okay, the QR code. So it is using the do wear support app. Okay, so that's it for the user manual. Let's check on other information here. Okay, again, we have here the charging cable, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, so we have the smartwatch sporty, okay, smartwatch in a two-tone color. Okay, the blue, a light blue, and a dark blue here. Okay, so we have here the camera. So this is a button for, I guess, for selecting or call. On the left side we have here the USB port, okay, and it is covered by rubber, okay, protecting from splash of water, as you can see here. Okay, sporty looking. We do have here, I guess this is a flashlight. So this one for calls, I think, and the other one is for SOS. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Okay, this is a mic. Okay, I'm still looking for the speaker here. I guess this one, maybe this is the speaker. So the strap here is not removable, as you can see. Okay, on the back we have the, okay, is a QR code and IMEI number here. Okay, again, it is equipped with a SIM tray here, or SIM card. Okay, I'm still looking for that location. Oh, maybe this one. I guess we have to remove this. Okay, I'm still looking for the instructions here on how to plug in the SIM card. Okay, let's check. SIM card, where is that? Scan the QR code to add watch for binding. Mounting type. Okay, it says here, load SIM card in the direction indicated. Install the waterproof cover on the back cover. I guess we have to remove this. Okay, to be able to plug in the SIM card. Okay, in this one. Okay, we'll check on how to set this smartwatch as we go on with our review of the Q12 smartwatch. Okay, let's check the weight here, including the strap. Zero zero, so it's around 40 grams. Very lightweight. Okay, very ideal for kids. Okay, for the dimension, let's check. Let me turn off this one. Okay, it's around 12. Around 42, I think. Okay, not including this one, the camera here on top. Okay, so again, let's take a look at this smartwatch. Okay, very sporty. I guess really ideal for kids. I like the two-tone color. Very attractive, especially for your kids. Okay, and it's lightweight. Again, the body here is PC material, and we have a silicone strap here. Okay, so we have at least two buttons here, this one and this one. Okay, so let's try to turn it on and check. Did not. Again, let's see if there's still power. Okay, we do have a power. Hello. Okay, as you can see, it has a built-in microphone, speaker. So we have battery. We do have here the SIM symbol. Do have the time, power off. Okay, so it's using, it is supporting touchscreen. Okay, language. Okay, so you can pick language, Spanish. Do have a flashlight. Let me check. Okay. Okay, that's, does it have any function? No, just turn on and turn off. Okay, then app download. Okay, I guess this is for the doWare. So this is the return button. Okay, the touch key here. We do have a camera. Okay, that's it for the camera. Okay, we have the add body. I guess if you want to add a contact, I think top, please insert the SIM card. I don't know if this is for messaging or for calls. We'll try it later when we have the SIM card installed. We have a phone book. Okay, and that's it. I guess some of the settings available for the smartwatch is available in the support app. Okay, no menus on the bottom or top. Okay, so similar menus if you swipe it from left to right. Let me check if we can change the watch face here by long press. No, nothing. It's not working. Okay, I guess the personalization option, as well as other settings for the smartwatch for the Q12B is available in the support app. Okay, so we'll try to install the doWare. Guess it's doWare. Let's check again. We'll base on the user manual. As you can see here, doWare. Okay, I guess it is the support app for the smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, looks nice. Really, the design of this wearable is really intended or will look good for kids. Okay, kids will surely love this smartwatch, and it has a SIM card. Okay, support, so you can call or text your kids, okay, wherever you are. Okay, lightweight and very affordable. Again, this is the Q12B smartwatch, an upgrade of the popular Q12 smartwatch. So it has a built-in camera for selfie or call, and it also has a flashlight that kids will surely love. Okay, phone book. This is a SOS. I guess this will work when there's a SIM card installed. Yes, this one is for USB charging. So that's it for the Q12B Kids Smartwatch. For the full specs, check out the links below. Okay, our Q12B Smartwatch. Goodbye.